Hard hats for women infiltrating the male dominated industries. Why are there fewer women in the industry? Whenever we think of industries such as construction, mining, lumbering, and even manufacturing, the first image that comes to our mind is that of a man. Well, the main reason for this is because these are mainly industries that have been dominated by men. You are less likely to find women in this industry than you would in other places. In case you are wondering, hard hat for women is a thing. This is because more women seem to be gaining interest in some of these areas. Sheila is a 28-year-old woman I have taken a curious liking to these past few months. I met her at a friend's wedding reception and she was quite extraordinary. Outwardly, she looked like a regular 28-year-old, but talking to her was when I got interested. She works as a welder for a popular construction company in Ghana. Up until that point, the only women I knew in construction were mainly office workers. I knew a few engineers who went to the field, but mainly as supervisors. Sheila was the first person I had met in my life who worked in such capacity in construction. Why are there fewer women in the industry? One, because it's a man's job. In my talk with the cheerful Sheila, I asked for her opinion on why there were so few women in construction. She looked at me with a smile and responded, I honestly think the reason why there are fewer women in the industry is because many view these types of jobs as being for men only. This statement was quite profound and honestly makes a lot of sense. As far back as I could remember, the construction industry has been dominated mainly by men. Make a quick search on Google and you will find many pictures of men in hard hats. Men have been the face of not only construction but other industries such as mining and lumbering. Many women would be intimidated by this and would rather choose to work in other careers. 2. Discrimination and harassment. I asked what issues she had encountered as a woman in this field, and her smile faded for just a split second and then returned. I guess the discrimination and harassment from some male colleagues when I first entered the profession, but I have since learned to move on. Some make it obvious and others just like to joke about it. Either way, majority of them accepted me from day one, and that is what matters. Discrimination seems to be everywhere, so coming across it in this area was not surprising. Certain stereotypes enforce this level of discrimination. One of such stereotypes is the fact that many believe these industries are meant for men only. 3. The way forward. Sheila showed me a picture of her in work clothes and it was a beautiful sight. What stood out in those pictures for me was her pink hard hat. I asked why she wore pink and not another color, and she insisted that was the only cute hard hat she owned. She wore the pink hard hat as a statement to others that she was a woman who was proud to be in the profession. In her opinion, she believes that as more women get into these industries, the notion that these jobs are for men only would be cleared. This would make the industry more attractive to women and hence more women would be interested in these careers. If these professions can be made more attractive to women, there is a high possibility that more and more women could enter into jobs like this. They don't need to wear girly hard hats like the one Sheila wore to make a point. They could let their presence and work speak for itself. We don't just need hard hats for women, we need to encourage more women to take up these careers and work hard to excel in it.